Starting here on the index page, you will choose one of two options, writing or typing. Under the writing option, you will view the lessons and record your answers using a workbook or paper. You can print a blank answer sheet by clicking on this link at the top of the page. This method reinforces the spelling through the kinesthetic of handwriting and is recommended for most students. In this section, the space bar can be used to start and pause the lessons. Under the typing option, you view the lessons in the same way but are able to type and correct your answers using the spaces to the right side of the screen. It's important for the student to find and correct their mistakes. For this reason, we have not included a spell check feature. Most web browsers have a spell check feature that can be turned on and off under the web browser's settings. A checkbox is provided next to each word to mark words for later reference. After the student has recorded and corrected all of their answers and marked any words for later review, they can use the print button to print a copy for their records. In this section, the escape key in the top left of the keyboard must be used to start and pause the lessons. Each day, the student selects the lesson for that day and presses the spacebar or escape key to start the lesson. 10th. The spelling word will be given once and then used in a contextual sentence, and then is given a second time. The second time the word is given is a clue that it's time to pause the lesson. Say the word aloud and then write or type the word. Then press the spacebar or escape key again to start the lesson and see the correct spelling. Press pause if more time is needed to correct the spelling of the word. It is important for the student to correct the word before continuing the lesson. At the top of the page, there are helpful links to navigate back to the main page to view the footnotes or quarterly tests or to print a blank answer sheet, and also a section to write the day's lesson number for your records. I'll now demonstrate how the program works.
10th day. Number 1. Ups. Life has its ups and downs. Ups. Ups is spelled U-P-S. Number 2. Cups. How many cups do we need for the party? Cups. Cups is spelled C-U-P-S.
You'll notice that each time a word is given and it's time to type, I press the escape key, or under the writing section you would hit the spacebar, and then write or type the word, and then press the button again to start the lesson.
Number 3. Pups. Our dog has 3 pups. Pups. Pups is spelled P-U-P-S. Number 4. Sups. A person usually sups 3 times a day. Sups. Sups is spelled S-U-P-S.
I intentionally misspelled this word so that you can see that I would want to go back and correct the word and also potentially mark the word so that I know that at some point I had difficulty with that word, and then I would continue on with my lesson. You can also navigate by selecting the bar and pulling it to the right or left to move back and forward throughout the lesson. At the end of the lesson, there is a section that shows all of the words for that day. Once I have completed marking all of my answers, I have selected on the right-hand side in the checkboxes ones that I had difficulty. Then I'm able to click on the Print Your Answers, and then I will be able to print my answers. It's important to list the day number at the top so that it is a reminder of what lesson you were on. Once I'm completed and have printed my answers, I can then click on the Clear Your Answers to be able to reset and start over on a new lesson.